So Jamaican track and field fans were very excited on Saturday night by double Olympic 100-meter champion Shelley and Fraser Price's slick 11.10 season's best at the Racers Grand Prix. But you all know the Maverick already. Me biased towards young emerging stars in sports. And what struck me most in that race on Saturday night was 16-year-old Jamaican starlet Brianna Williams, who actually beat Shelley out of the blocks and ran a fearless race against women twice her age, beating national senior representatives Jean Evans and Natasha Morrison, as well as Trinidadian senior Kellyanne Baptiste and more, finishing third in a nippy 11.26. And amid some expressed reservations about outstanding youngsters like Brianna Williams and others competing against seniors, my question to all the doubters is, what does a Brianna Williams have to gain by competing against 16 and 15-year-olds who she will beat by 10 and 15 meters? What she have to gain? Nothing. Thank God this little girl not going to school in Jamaica, where she would probably be mashed up by trying to win champs every year. Special talent like Brianna Williams will only improve on their already special talent when they are strategically exposed to better, possibly senior competition. These special youngsters are beating senior athletes doing junior work. It is much more about their superior talent level than the amount of work they're doing. Strategic and structured early exposure to senior competition is the tried and proven blueprint for the development of every single young superstar in sport. You can carry that one court.